Alright guys, this is Rogue Civilian here testing out my new Glock 21 SF slim frame. As you can see here with the Picatinny rail. Got the range to myself today. Well, it's one person here helping me out. But not a lot of people here, so we're going to try to get it done. We're going to test this out at about 21 feet using some laser brass. See how well it shoots. It's about 24 feet. That's fine. 10 rounds loaded. Try to shoot for some accuracy, see if I can get it right in the middle. Actually, yeah. Not too bad, not too bad. Felt like I started to jerk a little bit towards the end, but got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 4 in the middle, center mass, 21 feet. I think it handles pretty well. I like it. This is gonna be Vanessa, my baby. But I let my man here test off a couple rounds and see how he do with that as well. You get the balls.